A blinking red light on your Sony TV usually means it won't turn on, and that can be frustrating. In this video, I'll walk you through safe, at-home steps you can try right now to get it working again without opening the TV or risking damage. Let's start with a simple power reset, because this step often fixes common issues. Unplug your Sony TV from the wall outlet. Then go to the physical power button located under the TV. Press and hold this button for 1 full minute so the TV can fully drain any leftover power. After that, keep the TV unplugged for about 5 minutes. When you plug it back in, connect it directly to the wall instead of a power strip, and turn it on using the physical button under the screen. This reset helps clear power glitches that commonly cause the red light to blink. If the issue continues, don't worry. Let's move on to removing external devices. Go to the back of the TV and unplug every HDMI cable and device connected to it, including streaming sticks, game consoles, or any other HDMI accessories. Once everything is disconnected, try turning the TV on by itself. If it powers on normally, that means one of the devices or cables was causing the problem. You can reconnect them one at a time and test the TV after each connection to find out which one triggers the issue. Next, we'll reset the remote control. Take the batteries out of your TV remote and also remove the batteries from the remotes of any devices that were connected to your TV. Hold the power button on each remote for about 30 seconds to drain any remaining energy. After that, press all the buttons firmly to make sure none of them are stuck. Insert fresh batteries and try using the remote again. Weak batteries or stuck buttons can sometimes prevent the TV from turning on properly. Now let's briefly understand what the blinking red light means. When the light keeps blinking, it means the TV has detected a problem and is protecting itself. If the light blinks 4 times, it usually points to a backlight or LED communication issue. If it blinks 6 times, it can indicate a power communication issue. This explanation is only for basic understanding, so you know what the blinking pattern means, without opening the TV or attempting unsafe repairs. That's it for this video on fixing the blinking red light on your Sony TV using safe and simple steps you can do at home. I hope this guide helped you get your TV working again. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. If one of these steps worked for you, or if you have a question, share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.